Good morning, children. Let us start UKG class Kannada, subject oral and writing. Now we start Kannada oral up to A to Ru. You already learned that writing A to Ru. Now let us start Kannada oral A to Ru. You also say along with me, children, and you listen carefully. Then afterwards, how to write Kannada Varnamala in your 2-line book and show here. Afterwards, you also write like that in your 2-line book. Okay, children. Now let us start first Kannada oral. First letter A. A. Alilu. You also say along with me, children. You listen carefully. A. Alilu. Squirrel. A. Agasa. Washerman. A. Aramane. Palace. Next, Atike. Toys. Aane. Elephant. Ame. Tortoise. Once again I repeat, children, you also say along with me. Alilu. Squirrel. Agasa. Washerman. Aramane. Palace. Atike. Toys. After Atike. Toys. Aane. Elephant. Ame. Tortoise. Next. After what, children? After what, children? E. After E. Ili. Rat. Iruve. Ant. Isavi. Ear. Next, E after E. Irulli. Onion. Iju. Swimming. Isha. Lord Shiva. Once again I repeat, children, you also say along with me. You listen carefully. Ili. Rat. Iruve. Ant. Isavi. Ear. Irulli. Onion. Iju. Swimming. Isha. Lord Shiva. Okay, children. Next. E after what, children? E after U. Ungura. Ring. Uguru. Nail. Udugore. Gift. Next, U after Uta. Meal. Uru. Town. Udu. Blow. Once again I repeat, children, you also say along with me. Ungura. Ring. Uguru. Nail. Udugore. Gift. Next, U after what, children? Uta. Meal. Uru. Town. Udu means blow. Next, you listen, children. U after what, children? U after letter Ru. What, children? Ru. Rushi. Sage. Rutu. Season. Rigveda. Once again I repeat, children, you also say along with me. You listen. Rushi. Sage. Rutu. Season. Rigveda. Now we will stop here, children. A to Ru. What, children? A to Ru. You also write like that, A to Ru only, and learn oral also A to Ru. We will continue in next class for next letter A. We will continue in next class. Then now here stop A to Ru, and then writing also A to Ru. And now show here how to write A to Ru ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ ಸ್ವರಗಳು in your 2-line book, and you also write like that your homework book. Listen carefully children, you must and should write in your 2-line book only, and you also write 2 lines only, don't write outside. Then after you say and write must and should, you say and write. Okay children, thank you children, we will meet next class.